Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can delete your Blogger blog or website from your Blogger dashboard. Now you might want to delete your Blogger website for various reasons, like you may have created the website for fun purposes or testing purposes and now you don't want it. So how you can delete it? So for doing that, first you need to go to log into your Blogger dashboard. Then you need to go to your settings. Once you are in settings, just scroll down and scroll down until you find remove your blog option. This is under the manage blog section. So you can see this remove your blog option. Just click on it. Then you will get a prompt if you want to download it. So in this case, I don't want it, so I will just go for delete. So now the blog is delete. Then you have an option for undelete or permanently delete. So if you want to restore your blog, just click on undelete option, and if you permanently want to remove your blog, then click on permanently remove. And that's it, the blogger website is deleted. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.